We're at the opening, the official opening of the Rakuten Open RAN Customer Experience Centre in Weybridge, UK. I'm here with Alessandro Gropelli from ETNO. Alessandro, great to see you.
Good morning.
And now you were on one of the speakers on the panel discussion here today during the official launch programming. Why was ETNO represented here? Why were you part of the proceedings?
Well, our job is to represent the interest of European telecom operators, and telecom operators right now are very positive about their relationship with vendors, both the traditional ones and the new ones, and so they are looking with interest and hope at Open RAN as one of the ways to grow the 5G ecosystems in Europe.
Okay. And would you say that there's a kind of broad support for Open RAN and what it stands for in terms of a broader ecosystem amongst the ETNO members?
European telecom operators are supporting Open RAN and the development of the Open RAN ecosystem. The reason is that diversification is key in their strategies, in the strategies of European telecom companies, and they are doing work through memorandums of understanding, participating in all the relevant fora, and even ETNO has now since 2 years a policy platform to discuss Open RAN and all the policies that go with it, so that we make sure that governments and the European Commission help us to develop this Open RAN ecosystem in Europe.
Okay. And how important are centres like this, where lots of different companies can come and have their technology tested and see if it's interoperable with others?
Centers like this one are very important because they provide the proof of concept, and they allow you to touch, to understand, to discuss with the R&D people and also with the ones who are in charge of making it happen into doing deployment, which is very important. So my wish is that we can see many more Open RAN centers like this one, where there is open collaboration, open dialogue between all the actors inside the industry, so that we can make this ecosystem work and provide some real-life deployments also here in Europe.
Okay. Now, obviously, this centre is here in the UK, and some of the larger operators in Europe have their own labs, their own test facilities. But I mean, would ETNO like to see more sort of independent, open test labs where lots of different companies can easily come in at any time?
We would love to see something like this in Brussels, for example, at the heart of Europe, precisely because we believe that policies should help grow this Open RAN ecosystem in Europe, again, with the established players, with the new players, and with all the so-called like-minded partners coming from geographies like Japan, South Korea, and so on.
Okay, excellent. Well, yeah, you've made the call now, you've sent the message to the industry. An Open RAN test lab in Brussels is what's needed next. So let's hope that comes to pass. Alessandro, great to speak to you today. Thanks very much for joining us.
Thanks so much.